She weaves one quiet phrase into everyday conversation that can be a hidden clue she's feeling strong sexual pull toward you, and it's incredibly simple to miss completely. There's a final sentence that really says, "I'm aroused," without spelling it out, but only if you catch the 7 signs that almost always appear first. I'll reveal that closing line at number 8, but pay close attention because chances are you've heard these exact signals and brushed them off as nothing. Ever left a chat wondering if she was actually flirting? Hang around, this changes everything. Number 1, she tells you, "You're tough to figure out." This isn't confusion on her part, it's genuine interest sparking. You're not serving up easy emotional reads, so she feels pulled to decode you. Psychology shows steady mystery can signal high value, so resist the urge to over-explain. Stay grounded and relaxed. Notice how she follows up with extra questions. Let her mind work to understand you better. Number 2. Out of nowhere she mentions horoscopes, personality tests, or birth dates. Feels random, doesn't it? Actually, it's often her subtle way of checking if you two match up. She's building her mental picture of you without showing her cards. Rather than brush it aside, turn it back. "Interesting, what does that mean for me?" Suddenly her quiet probe turns into her deeper involvement. Number 3, she starts, "You make me think of somebody," then leaves it hanging without finishing. That's classic projection at work, and attraction makes projection stronger. When interest rises, people sometimes mask it with foggy memories. If she smiles softly or studies your reaction as it trails off, that's the real tell. Don't push for more info. Just pause. Maintain strong eye contact a moment longer. Sense how the air changes. Number 4. She admits, "I feel like I can't fake it with you." This goes beyond honesty. It's about vulnerability. Your energy feels solid without pressure, so her guards come down naturally. That's a powerful opening. Avoid turning into an anxious entertainer. Keep cool and comfortable, like deep openness is everyday stuff around you. Number 5. She minimizes your effect, but confesses real shifts. "I don't normally hang around this long," or "I really should head out," while still right there beside you. That's her battling her own pull to stay close, scarcity dynamics kicking in strong. It's like the best moments when nobody wants the night to end. Biggest error most men make, rushing to fill quiet moments. Don't do it. Let comf. If you're loving these psychology-backed insights on reading attraction better, smash that like button and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory. The more you spot these hidden signals, the less you ever chase, and the more you naturally lead every single time.